Axiomals. Welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life. Today we are going to talk about algebra, binomials, and trinomials. Let's take a look at today's sum. Simplify a plus 2, the whole into a minus 4, the whole into a plus 6. Now, we have to refer a formula over here. Referring to this formula, the formula is x plus a, the whole into x plus b, the whole into x plus c, the whole, equal to x cubed plus a plus b plus c, the whole into x squared, plus AB plus BC plus CA, the whole into x, plus ABC. Referring to this formula, we will solve this sum. Now let's copy the sum. A plus 2, the whole into a minus 4, the whole into a plus 6, the whole. Now, equal to a plus 2, the whole into, actually we can express this as a plus minus 4, the whole into a plus 6, the whole. Here x is like a, and a is 2, b is minus 4, and c is 6. Referring to the formula, we get a cubed means the x cubed part, plus 2 plus minus 4, a plus b plus 6, a plus b plus c. Sorry, it's supposed to be a second bracket here. A plus b plus c, the whole into x squared, that means a squared. And then plus AB plus BC plus CA, plus A is 2 into B, that is minus 4, plus BC, B is minus 4 into 6, minus 4 into 6, plus CA, that means 6 into 6 into 2. The whole into x, A, here a is x, plus ABC, that means 2 into minus 4 into 6. Now we have to simplify this, and we get a cubed, and this will ultimately give us plus 4. Plus 4a squared, and over here if we calculate, plus minus 8 minus 24 plus 12, the whole into a, plus this gives us minus 48. Equal to, if we calculate this, we ultimately get minus 20. Then we can write a cubed plus 4a squared minus 20a minus 48. And this is our final answer. Now you may take a look at the board. Moving on to our next sum. Let's take a look. Simplify 2x plus 1, the whole into 2x plus 3, the whole into 2x plus 5, the whole. Again, we have to refer to the same formula, which is x plus a the whole into x plus b the whole into x plus c the whole equal to x cubed plus a plus b plus c the whole into x squared plus ab plus bc plus ca the whole into x plus abc. Referring to this, we will solve the sum. Now let's copy the sum. 2x plus 1 the whole into 2x plus 3 the whole into 2x plus 5 the whole. Over here, x is like 2x and a is 1, b is 3, and c is 5. Referring to the formula, we finally get 2x whole cubed, that is the x cubed part, plus a plus b plus c, plus 1 plus 3 plus 5, the whole into x squared. That means the whole into 2x whole squared, plus ab plus bc plus ca, plus ab, 1 into 3, plus bc, 3 into 5, plus ca, 5 into 1. The whole into x, which is actually 2x, plus abc, 1 into 3 into 5. Simplifying, we get 8x cubed plus, by calculation, this gives us 9 into, and this is 4x squared, plus gives us 3 plus 15 plus 5, the whole into 2x, plus this is obviously 15, equal to 8x cubed plus 36x squared plus 23 into 2x plus 15. Finally gives us 8x cubed plus 36x squared plus 46x plus 15. And this is our final answer. Now you may take a look at the board. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.